Dear students, up till now we have seen some of the carbonyl compounds and their name reactions. So in that we have discussed aldol condensation followed by crossed aldol condensation. Then we have discussed the mechanism of reaction involved in the Claisen-Skemet condensation reactions, their applications, then Canizerose reaction and cross Canizerose reaction. Now from this point we have remaining the or we have now discussed in that lecture the two remaining name reactions, that is benzoin condensation and Perkin condensation. So today we are going to discuss about the benzoin condensation, its mechanism and its applications in the pharmaceutical industry, and related to the Perkin condensation, its mechanism of action and the pharmaceutical application. Now, first of all, we will discuss about what is the meaning of the word, that is benzoin condensation. So in this particular type of condensation, it is an important reaction in which the carbon-carbon bond is formed when we are going to react two molecules of aldehydes. Now, specially, we have denominated or we have given the name, that is a benzoin condensation. So, during this condensation, particularly, we are going to use benzaldehyde. But in this condensation, whenever we are going to react any two molecules of the aldehyde, they will react with each other and they are going to form the condensed product. When we are going to talk about the benzaldehyde, they are going to form the benzoin. Now, this reaction is named by the scientists, that is Friedrich Wöhler and Justice von Liebig in 1832. So they have proceed this reaction by using two molecules of benzaldehyde. They condense together and they have synthesized benzoin molecule. So this condensation of two molecules of benzaldehyde to form benzoin is known as benzoin condensation. Now this reaction is particularly catalyzed by, or it is a proceed by use of cyanide ions. So this is particularly followed or taken place in the presence of cyanide ion. So whenever there is reaction between the two molecules of aromatic aldehydes, that are benzaldehyde, so they will react in the presence of cyanide salt of that cyanide molecule. That is, here we are going to utilize potassium cyanide, and so there is a formation of alpha hydroxy ketone, and this alpha hydroxy ketone is nothing but a benzoin molecule. So in the coming slide we have discussed here the mechanism of reaction in the formation of benzoin molecule. So particularly we are going to select a benzaldehyde molecule. So the first benzaldehyde molecule in the presence of potassium cyanide. The cyanide ion, as it is a more electronegative molecule, it will react with the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom, because now why this carbon atom is electron deficient? All the reactants, all the electron molecule is attracted by this oxygen atom, which is attached to this carbonyl carbon atom. That's why this carbon atom is electron deficient. Now there is entry of the cyanide ion on this electron deficient carbon atom. So there is formation of an intermediate molecule in which the cyanide ion will have form a bond with carbon-carbon bond with this carbonyl carbon atom. Now, in the presence of water molecule, this hydrolysis of this intermediate molecule will be done, and there is formation of a hydroxyl ion. Now, this hydroxyl ion again react with the formed intermediate molecule in the first step of the reaction to form again a carbanion. Now, how come this carbanion is formed? Because all the electrons which are there, they are attracted by this oxygen atom and the cyanide molecule, and there is generation of water molecule, which we have utilized in the step number 1. Now, this intermediate moiety will condense with another molecule of the benzaldehyde, which we have used in the, or which we have discussed in the mechanism of reaction, as there is entry of second benzaldehyde molecule. So this intermediate molecule, which is formed by reacting with the cyanide molecule in the presence of water molecule, this will condense with the second benzaldehyde molecule. So there is formation of a carbon-carbon bond with this second benzaldehyde molecule. Again, the reaction proceed in the same way as like that of step number 1. So they will regenerate, or they are going to form a water molecule. Then cyanide molecule is formed as a byproduct. As this oxygen atom, as it is unstable, he will form a double bond with this carbon atom, and he will remove, or he will dissociate this cyanide ion from this carbon molecule, because this oxygen molecule is going to form a carbon oxygen double bond. So it is removed as a byproduct, and there is formation of an alpha beta hydroxy ketone molecule, that is a benzoin molecule. So there is formation of the benzyne molecule when we are going to condense two benzaldehyde molecule in the presence of the cyanide ion. So this is the first mechanism of action of benzoin condensation reaction. It is going to have its own applications for the synthesis of benzoin, because benzoin can be used as an intermediate molecule to synthesize another pharmaceutical molecules. Now the second condensation reaction, that is Perkin condensation. Now this condensation reaction is also having its own application. This is a reaction utilized, or this mechanism we are going to utilize particularly for the synthesis of cinnamic acid. So this reaction, what is it? It is an organic reaction which is used to convert an aromatic aldehyde. Now here also we are going to use a benzaldehyde molecule, which when react with an anhydride. So first molecule we are going to use as an aromatic aldehyde, for example benzaldehyde, and when it is reacting with an anhydride molecule, so they will again condense together in the presence of. So particularly a special reagents require their presence for the condensation of Perkin condensation, that is we require the presence of sodium acetate. There is requirement of presence of a strong base, that is potassium hydroxide, and whatever acid to be formed in this reaction, that we are going to remove with the help of workup. Now what is the meaning of the word workup? That we are going to wash that product with a first of all with a base, then with a water molecule, and we are going to obtain a cinnamic acid as a pure compound. So what is this condensation particularly? Here in this, we are reacting the aromatic aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde, with the anhydride molecule in the presence of sodium acetate and a base, a strong base, sodium hydroxide, to form alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. So by using aldehyde and anhydride molecule, we have synthesized its oxidation product, condensation and oxidized product, that is cinnamic acid. So particularly whenever we are going to use benzaldehyde with acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate and base, here we have synthesized cinnamic acid. Now what will be the mechanism of action for this particular condensation reaction? Now this is a mechanism of action involved in the Perkin condensation reaction. Now what happened? First of all, first molecule of benzaldehyde will react with a acetic anhydride. Now we all know this oxygen atom which is there in the what is there, that is carbonyl carbon atom. It is more electronegative, so it will attract all the electrons, or he will attract all the electron towards itself. So there will be a formation of this carbon atom as an electron deficient. Meanwhile, due to the absorption or the attraction of all the electron towards itself by this oxygen atom, the same phenomenon will be done, or it is taking place in the acetic anhydride molecule also. Now, Due to the absorption of all the electron towards itself in the molecule of acetic anhydride, this carbon atom is being an electron rich molecule. Now, as we all know, this carbon atom is electron deficient. Now, due to the presence of this lone pair of electron on this carbon atom will attract towards the carbonyl carbon atom of first benzaldehyde molecule or the benzaldehyde molecule. Now, due to the entry of these electrons from the carbon atom to the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atom, there is formation of an alpha beta carboxylic acid, or we can call it as alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid, as there is formation of a carbon carbon double bond. This can be an cinnamic acid, and the remaining amount or the remaining carboxylic acid is regenerated from this acetic anhydride molecule is acetic acid. So in this way, we are going to synthesize a cinnamic acid molecule from the benzaldehyde molecule in the presence of acetic anhydride. So this is all about the last condensation reaction, that is Perkin condensation. So today we have discussed about a benzoin condensation and the Perkin condensation to synthesize cinnamic acid from the benzaldehyde molecule.